Unboxing Alienware Tactx keyboard. Okay, let me find the bit to open it here. One warranty seal. Okay, just give me a minute.
Yogi's still alive. Oh, fuck! It's a milk.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, it's the mob killing place. How to kill lobster, Dad?
Jump.
This is a mob killing place.
Wow.
Where you have to kill mobs.
I think it should have two USB ports, armrest. Well, let's just look at the keyboard here in a second. Oh, nice soft full press keys, macro buttons. This is the gaming mode lock. Locks all the keys except the ones you would use to control games. Multimedia, volume mute. Oh, I love the 10 key. Great, and I'll show it plugged in. Okay, so that's the keyboard setup. So I have the red luminous light on right now. Media controls. Okay, it's pretty bright. With the red glow. And of course I need to pull up my command center on the screen. So now you can actually select all zones and come back down here. You can kind of change the colors. Oh, I guess black. That's black. Whole bunch of colors you can choose from. You can do them in two different stages, or you can just change the top. I like to have both on red. That's a little bit Alien FX keyboard.